What's up, everybody? Pretty excited. I think today is going to be the day that we fire up old Clockwork. I'm cleaning all the bull crap out of him right now. And then I got the seats in the back of the truck. I got a couple more parts we got to throw on. I'm going to do the exhaust today. Got the whole kit to put it on with all the clamps and copper doodly-doos. Little buttoning up back here. Throw the seats in. My Dizzy fried. It do no work no more, so I pulled the one off of my 71 Standard that is literally not moved in 15 years and has not been cranked in 15 years. And we're going to hope that one works, and maybe it'll get cranked up today. I've got a whole bag full of points and stuff, so we're going to try and rebuild that and make it happy. And then possibly get this bad boy cranked up today. And that's how many bolts I still have to put back in it. But hopefully by the end of the day, we will be driving Clockwork. Also, if you ain't got one of these, get one of these. You're gonna need one of these.